Here's my Publix haul for the week. Publix heist. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $120.63 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $9.17. And went on a Visa card, which is fine with me. Fine by me. So this is for the week of February 11th to February 17th. So I'm going to be posting a video on the first day of the sale, like today. So you guys can get the deals right off. So please subscribe to my channel so you can do the deals the rest of the week. Some of these deals will expire, but some will be good till the 20th, even later. So show you what I got here. Got Tena pads. There was a manufacturer and there was a store coupon on those. They were $5.19, and you got $4 off of two, $5 off of two, times 3 each, and $10 off as a rewards rebate. So all the links, the breakdowns to print the coupons are below the video, so you can do the deals. This was an Ibotta rebate, $2.99 with $2.99 Ibotta. These were on sale for $4.99 with $3 off and $2 off, so free. These were $4.99, and I had a $2.50 off manufacturer printable and a $2 off from the Best of You. This was a Publix digital coupon free. This was $5.99 with $3 off and $2 off. Got the gift card, so I got an additional 10 off, and this was 2 transactions. Okay, this was 2 transactions. I want to make that clear. But in your digital coupons, you'll find these that are $10 off of your $50 total, $10 off your $50 total. So I bought one. Then you may be able to use one of them to buy your next set, depending on how long is between your trip. So these were on sale for $3, and there was $1 off. $2 off of 2, and $2 off of 2 again, so, or $3 off of 2 again, so they're 49 cents each. These were a moneymaker. These were free. $1.50 off, $1.50 manufacturer, $1.50 store, and $1.50 Ibotta. This was a digital coupon free. And these were really cheap. They were $2, 75 off, and anyways, all the breakdowns are below. So anyways, I'm doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get the deals right off. Here's some more cool stuff right here. Once again, paid to shop, $120 plus worth of goods. And it's all said and done, I'm getting about $10 moneymaker. And yes, that does include tax, because everybody pays it. Now, I had almost a problem. So when you get these, make sure your total is above 50 with tax, because these come off the digital coupon. Usually they come off, in the green flyer or whatever, purple flyer, and the cashier is punching in the code. They see it's $50.12. Some of this stuff is taxable, so it's probably $48 plus the tax. So I ran into that problem there. You want to make sure you're above $50 excluding tax, and these things will come off because they'll come off digitally. Thanks again.